Able to win, these two opponents carefully observed each other before fighting.
Better work! Ah!
Stop. You're gonna mess up your locks.
You can't tell me raccoons don't have inner children who love to play with bubbles.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide. Smooth brain, smooth.
When Kitty's arm's the best weapon to catch the enemy.
Look at this. Perfect.
How Kitty keeps himself from catching a cold in winter. Without thousands of spectators to witness, this player still showed his talent with the most enthusiasm.
Get a fish. Oh, no.